Hello truckers, welcome back to Open for It. Ever wonder which CDL license you need to drive your dream vehicle? In this video, I'm going to break down all three different CDL license and vehicles covered under each category. First, we have a Class A CDL. It has a gross vehicle weight rate of 26,001 pounds or more and the trailer alone weighs over 10,000 pounds. If you are planning to operate flatbeds, tanker trucks or semi-tractor trailers, you will be needing a Class A CDL. Second, we have a Class B CDL. Just like a Class A CDL, Class B CDL also has a gross vehicle weight rate of 26,001 pounds or more, but the trailer weight is less than 10,000 pounds. Some of Class B vehicles are dump trucks, delivery trucks or straight box trucks. Finally, we have a Class C CDL. The gross vehicle weight rate of Class C CDL is less than 26,001 pounds. It includes vehicles designed to transport 16 passengers or more or hazardous materials. That's a wrap for a CDL. In addition to the basic CDLs, the drivers can obtain certain endorsements that allows drivers to operate specific types of vehicles or transport certain types of cargo. The different endorsements are HAD stands for hazardous material, N stands for tanker containers, P stands for passengers, S stands for school bus, T stands for double or triple trailers, and X stands for combination of both hazardous materials and tanker containers. Your CDL journey begins with basic written tests that include general and specific vehicle knowledge. Study State Commercial Driver's Manual and pass the test. You ace the written test, awesome. Now it's time to test your driving skills. Picture it like a 3-act play, a pre-trip inspections, a basic control skills and on-road drive test. It's all about showing you can handle a vehicle like a pro. There are various CDL schools like Ford Scott, NMCC, YRC Freight who can help you to get your CDL done. But guess what? With all your efforts, you can do it by yourself. Good luck for getting your CDL done. Thanks for watching.